Hold on. Okay. I'll explain what just happened in a minute. Hello, and welcome to Tuesday. So, as I was turning on my camera, I got assaulted with burps and coughs, and it was the worst. And that's what I had to explain. So, what's been going on today? Well, I had class in the morning, I had physics. We started going over a new chapter. Then afterwards, I went to a doctor's appointment. I went an hour early because honestly I didn't know what else to do for an hour, and it wouldn't really even be an hour. It'd be like 30 minutes, and then I would have to leave because it's across town. But yeah, and I had my 3DS pack, so I played some more Dragon Ball Fusions, and I gotta say, I am loving it. It is fantastic. What's going on right now? Well, I just booted up my computer, so I'm going to edit some vlogs. And then I'm going to record some Half-Life 2 or Portal. Whichever comes first. Probably Portal because I'm sitting right here. Half-Life 2, I have to go into the other room, boot up that computer, wait for Steam to open up. Yeah, it's a process. So tomorrow, Half-Life 2, the first episode releases. Half-Life 2 takes the Wednesday, 1:30 p.m. time slot until Portal is done. Which I think I might be finishing Portal today. If not today, then I'll record another episode tomorrow, and then I'll get that all edited. Yeah, I also watched the first 23 minutes or so of Tenkai Nights last night. Maybe, I think it was 28. Either way, once I finish watching it all, I'll record a first impressions and upload that to Doorman Net Productions. Alright, I will see you guys in a little bit. Quick update. I got days 10 and 11 exported, and now I'm going to watch some more Tenkai Nights Rise of the Knights, also known as Lego Robots. I mean, I'm not wrong. Hey, I'm back. So a few things. One, I played some more Dragon Ball Fusion. That game is a lot of fun. And then I watched some more Tenkai Nights. Still pretty good. I'm about, in total, about 52 minutes in, and it is 72 minutes long. So that's like an hour and 12 minutes, I think. I could be wrong. But I think that's excluding credits, because I think I saw like in the timeline it was like 128 or something. I was like, what? But yeah, I learned that Filmora takes out of like there's three different video files on the DVD. There's IFO, VOB, and BUP. So BUP, IFO, and VOB. And now the first two kind of sound similar. I'm sorry, but yeah, that's now that I've explained what's on the disc, I can explain my revelation. I found out that Filmora takes VOB files, so if Dan, Ken, and I were to ever abridge Tenkai Nights, we could just take the VOB files and put them into Filmora, and we don't have to worry about where we get our source footage because it's straight from the disc. And I think that's pretty cool. They're like, I don't know. Talking about the legality of abridged content, that's gonna be a different day. I might just sit down and make like, not really a bonus video, but like a discussion kind of thing where I set up my camera on a tripod and I'm like, let's talk about abridging. And I'd probably talk about like, what we've done with abridging, attempts at abridging, failed attempts that is, and other things. Also, I'm not sure if you can hear that, but apparently there's a train. So let's see. Alright, so the two vlogs that I uploaded, scripted format, day 10, that was for Sunday, and then Monday's vlog, Tenkai Nights, Rise of the Knights, day 11. So those are all up on YouTube, and then this vlog will come out tomorrow, which is the 8th, or for you guys it's today. You know what? Let's not think about it. But yeah. What else am I? Blah, 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 blah. What else am I gonna do tonight? I think that's about it. I might play some more Dragon Ball Fusions because I really like the game. It's like I can't stop playing it. It's like the best. I mean, Dragon Ball Xenoverse was pretty fun. There is that annoying thing with Super Armor, but so far the only two Dragon Ball games I have are Dragon Ball Fusion and Dragon Ball Xenoverse, and in my personal opinion, they're both equally fun, although Dragon Ball Fusions is the better game, but I also like the idea of me having a character that I can control to make the character punch the bad guys. I don't know. I like them, but Dragon Ball Fusions, like, fundamentally is a better game. I'll probably make a video on that too. It's 9:48. I'm gonna do some things, watch some videos, play some more Dragon Ball Fusions, and then go to bed. Alright. Thank you all so much for watching, and let's meet back tomorrow. Bye-bye.